The area of parallelogram is 240 centimeters squared. The angle between the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram is 145 degrees. If the length of one of the adjacent sides is 16 centimeters, find the length of the other side correct to the nearest centimeters. Now, what is the area of parallelogram? We have, if the height is given, the area of parallelogram is equal to base times height. If the height is given and the angle is not given, so you will use base times height. Let me write it down. So area of parallelogram is the same thing as base times height. That is when height is given and the angle is not given. Now, for this case, now that the angle is given and you have adjacent sides, so you are going to use another formula. Then you use area of parallelogram will be equal to product of adjacent sides, then multiply by the sine of angle between the adjacent sides. So this is the formula that we're going to use now. Let's start by writing all the given parameters. So given parameters. So the theta or the angle is equal to 145 degrees. Also, one of the sides is length. One length is equal to 16 centimeters. Then area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram was given to be equal to 240. So you have to understand all those things. So now, let's now go back to the formula that we want to use and substitute there now. So we now come here and say that the area is 240 centimeters squared is equal to, one of the side is 16 centimeter. So let's call the other side, let's call it A centimeter, then multiply by sine 145 degrees. So you have 240 centimeters squared is equal to 16 centimeter times 8 centimeter, 16A, then multiply by sine 145 degrees. So we have 16 sine 145 degrees, then multiply by 8 centimeters. So we want to isolate 8 centimeters. That means we have to divide both sides by 16 centimeter, 16 sine 145 degrees. So this one divided by 16 sine 145 degrees. Everything here also by 16 sine 145 degrees. So 16 sine 145 degrees, we cancel 16 sine 145 degrees. So A is equal to 240 centimeters squared divided by 16 centimeter multiplied by sine 145 degrees. So centimeter will cancel 1 centimeter. So A is equal to 240 centimeters divided by, press 16 multiplied by sine 145 gives me 9.177. So A is equal to 26.15 centimeters. So find the length of the other side correct to the nearest centimeter. So A can now be approximately to 26 centimeter to the nearest centimeter. So that is how to find the area of parallelogram when the angle is given and when height is not given. Till I see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.